Hello, I'm Xenos, and today we are going to install Arch Linux. I would recommend to read the Arch Wiki before doing this install. The first command we are going to run is load keys. This will load the selected keyboard layout. To show available layouts, you can just ls the directory where the files are stored. If you are doing a EFI installation, then check if the firmware is loaded, else you can skip this. To check for internet access, ping any server like google.com or archlinux.org. We also need to update the system clock before installing. Next we're going to prepare the disk with parted instead of fdisk. We are going to use a EFI styled partitioned scheme. Anything you do with parted will be an instant change to the drive, so be careful when you use parted. This is from the Gentoo manual. Basically what you do is make a primary partition, allocate the size of it, and then name the partition. You need to set the boot flag on the partition where you have grub installed. The end result should be something similar to this. Now we're going to format the drives, only the main root file system and the boot partition. The first partition we made is going to be handled by grub, so you don't need to do anything about that. After we are done formatting the partitions, we're going to make the swap partition and turn the swap partition on. Now it's time to mount the main partition and the EFI partition. We need to make a new directory for the EFI partition. Before we're going to run the packstrap command, we are going to select the mirrors we want. For this tutorial I'm not going to remove any of the mirrors, but you can do that at your own leisure. Now it's time to install Arch Linux onto the partition. Don't forget to run the development package as I did. So now it's time to generate the fstab so the system knows where the partitions are and how to load them. Finally, we can chroot into the new system. Everything we do now is going to be on the new system. For now, we're just going to run the hardware clock sync command. After this video, I'm going to do a second video about configuring the system and setting local times. After running the sync command, we can check the hardware clock by running the hardware clock command. Now it's necessary to generate a local E. First we're going to nano into the etc locale.gen and we're going to choose a language. Now it's time to set up networking. Basically what you do is choose a domain name and put in the basic values, as shown in the blue box. Now it's time to make a password for the main root account. Now we need some sort of network manager. I'm just going to install network manager and enable it in systemctl. Don't forget to use large characters when enabling the network manager. Now you need to install the microcode for your processor, either AMD U-code or Intel U-code. This is everything for now. In the next video we are going to install Grub. If you liked the video, hit a like and please subscribe and share the video.